Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I like to share with you some vintage inspired cards, so let's get started. In this short video today I would like to show you these vintage objects die cut sheets. They are from Yvonne Creations and check these out. So we got this gramophone, an old record player, a radio, and here we have a quill and a typewriter and a telephone. And I finally had a chance to create some cards with these die cut sheets. So each sheet has 3 different images, so they make 3 cards. Here is my first card with the radio, and I thought it came out so cute. So I used some of my stash, the background paper in my stash, and then just layered all the different images on top and came up with this cute card. Card 2, I think, could also make a card for a man. You have here the sentiment: loved you yesterday, love you still, always have, always will, with the gramophone. So you could give this to your hubby. And again, just some background paper. I punched out this doily to offset the round embellishment, a couple of the glitter borders, and a bow, and that's all it is. So the sentiment I printed out on my computer, and this is card number 2 from this sheet. And then the third card I have created is with this vintage record player. Of course, to me it doesn't seem too vintage because I used to have a record player, believe it or not. But these days I understand they're back in business again. So what I have done here, I did some glossy accents on the records, and maybe you can pick it up how it is glossy, because this is how the records actually look like. So they have now some glossy surface, and yeah, background paper, a glitter border, a bling border, and here we go. So of course with these cards, or with these sheets I should say, I always use up my stash of lots and lots of background papers. But if you don't have that many background papers, I picked this pad for you because it would go beautifully with these 2 die cut sheets. And this pack is by Studio Light, and it has these muted background background papers. Let me see how much is in there. So there are 36 sheets in 12 patterns, and it is heavyweight, and the dimensions here are in centimeters, so A5. But when you use, say, one of these sheets, and since it is cardstock, and you make a card of it, it's almost an A6, an A2 card. Okay, so this is an A2 card, so you can see it is just a sliver taller. So not just that you can use these as background paper, but you can actually make cards with them. Yeah, check out these beautiful background papers, muted, and those very light pinks. Well, this is a little bit of a heavier pink, but look how pretty. Would go well with this, with these die cut sheets. Yeah, so I thought I'll share with you this cute paper pack in case you would need a little bit more paper. So this was a short video. This is all I have for you today. I hope you liked my cards. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I also appreciate comments if you would want to leave one. And then don't forget to join us on our Facebook group, European Papercrafts Friends. So for today, thank you for spending some time with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye!